In this video, I will show you how to fix Canva if it's not uploading photos or videos. First, sign out of your Canva account, then sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account issues. If you're using Canva in a web browser, click on the icon next to the website address, open Cookies and Site Data, then select Manage On-Site Data. Now delete the saved data for Canva, reload the page and sign back to your account. If you're using Canva app, make sure it's updated to latest version from Play Store or App Store. You can also clear your browser's cache. For that, click on the three dots. Now select the option of Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time. Check all of these three boxes and click on the Delete Data option. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi, mobile data, or any other network. If you're still unable to upload photos or videos, check Canva's server status. If there is an ongoing outage or server disruption, you need to wait until Canva resolves the issue before uploads will work again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.